Hi, everybody. This is Bob Iacchino along with Mike Arnold from Path Trading Partners. March 27th afternoon, Path Chat covering stocks. Mike's just going to go over 4 stocks here. We have to point out something, and this is what we do because we are human and we're honest guys. So we had a mistake in the last stock update. We called a trade triggered that was not triggered. Mike's going to explain why, and it is in TECK. So we are going to take the loss, call this a lost trade, admit that it was our mistake, and just take our lumps. Because that's what you do. The minute that you know you made a mistake, you cover it. You don't turn it into a hope trade. That is one of the worst things. And someday in the podcast, the Money Path podcast, I'll tell a story of my worst version of making that mistake. So let me get you to Mike so he can go over the mistake, and he'll look at a couple of other stocks as well. So we're going over TECK, TECK, ONB, Tesla, and JKHY. Mike, it's all yours.
Okay, thank you very much, Bob. TECK, this actually we've talked about. We triggered it a couple weeks ago, like 3 weeks ago. This was the candle that looked like it triggered it, and I thought it was a doji. In our rules, it has to be a downward close or a doji could trigger it. This, if we look closely, the close was 1987 and its open was 1986, so it's technically an up candle. An up candle cannot trigger a double top. So this was invalid. It's now done. It's coming off the charts, and it's nothing to watch. Even if it were to go to target, it would not matter because it violated our rules. I made a mistake in thinking it was triggered, and so once we do that, it's all gone. ONB reached down, hit the stop reduction zone. So now the stop's above 1755. Nothing else to talk about there. Tesla triggered the move above the trend line. Next target, this would be hard to enter at this point with proper risk to reward, but on any pullback, this could be entered. And then a target of 273 with a final target of 280.31. Finally, JKHY gapped lower, reached down to the full target, and then rallied back up. So this hit both the targets, and it's done. It's considered a successful trade and finished. So that is also coming off. That's all we have for you. Back to you, Bob.
Thank you, Mike. Again, take that trade off. It's done. It's an error, and it is what it is. It's over. Cheers, guys. Thanks for listening. And, everybody's human. You make a mistake, you clear it up as quickly as possible. We will talk to you guys in the next Path Chat. Cheers.